We're going to look at some exercises that we can do to keep our eyes healthy. So the first thing that I suggest is that you look straight ahead and then just gently turn your head from side to side without taking your eyes off whatever you're looking at directly in front of you. Do that 5 to 8 times in each direction. Come back to the middle. Now you're going to keep your eyes on that same spot, and you're basically going to look down and up with your head, but your eyes are going to stay exactly where they are. You're going to do that 5 to 8 times. So that's your first exercise. You might also notice that your neck feels a bit freer after you've done that because you haven't sort of forced it and cranked it around. The next thing that I can suggest, if I just move this a little bit further away, is make an index finger available, and you're going to stare at the tip of your finger and then slowly follow the tip of your finger all the way up as far as it'll go, and then follow the tip of that finger down. So you will notice my arm is not in front of me, it's not at the side, it's at about 45 degrees. So I can, if I'm looking straight ahead at you, I can still see the tip of my finger in my peripheral vision. And then I'm just going to turn my head and look directly at my finger, and I'm going to follow it up and follow it back down, okay? And you would do that 2 or 3 times on each side. So it's really great for your eye tracking, and you'll notice that sometimes your eyes will skip ahead, or you just won't see your finger anymore, you'll be looking at something else. So it's actually quite hard to stay focused on that finger, but keep persevering, you will just get better at that. So those are my top 2 exercises for helping to keep your eyes young and healthy.